If you have Achilles tendonitis and you're looking for physical therapy exercises, stick around for one of the most effective Achilles tendonitis protocols out there. My name is Dr. Galatea Strong. I'm a physical therapist and founder of SBT With Me, an NPTE prep platform. Let's get into it. The protocol that we're going through today is called the Alfredson Protocol. Since its publication in 1998, this protocol has shown to be a very successful protocol to follow for those who have Achilles tendonitis. This protocol is pretty much just doing heel raises, but in a very specific way. You're going to do heel raises every single day for 12 straight weeks. A total of 180 heel raises every single day. And that's if you have Achilles tendonitis on one leg. If you have it on both, you got to do 180 on the left and 180 on the right. And that's a total of 360 repetitions. With a heel raise, you have two movements. The heel comes up and the heel comes down. The focus of this protocol is the eccentric phase of your heel raise. This is the coming down part. With the Alfredson protocol, you're not doing heel raises on the floor. You need to do heel raises on a step. And the reason is because you want that extra range of motion that your ankle can go through. Do you see how much further your ankle can go in its range on a step versus just on the floor? Let's say that my left Achilles is experiencing tendonitis. What I'm going to do is step up onto a step, my hands on the railing because this is not a balancing exercise, it's a strengthening exercise. I'm going to use both of my calf muscles to raise me up because the concentric phase is not the focus of this protocol. Then because my left Achilles is the one that's experiencing tendonitis, I'm going to take my right leg off. My right leg is just floating. It doesn't do anything. I'm going to slowly, over the course of 4 seconds, lower my left heel until it reaches its full range of motion. That's repetition number 1. I put my right leg back and I'm going to use both of my calves to again raise me back up, take my right leg off again, and repeat the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to repeat this a total of 15 times. Take a little break, maybe about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to do 2 more sets with a total of 3 sets. But you're not done there. There are 2 ways to do calf raises. One in which I just did with my knee straight, and another where my knee is bent. The reason why this is important is because doing heel raises this way affects different muscles in our body. When our knee is straight, this really engages our gastrocnemius muscle, or that big bulky calf muscle. When we do a heel raise with a knee bent, we emphasize the muscle activation of the soleus muscle. Both the gastrocnemius muscle and the soleus muscle, they attach to our Achilles tendon. So we want to make sure that we do both types of heel raises throughout this Alfredson protocol to build the tension that we need to maximize the strength of our Achilles tendon. So with that being said, you are going to do 3 sets of 15 repetitions for 3 to 4 second eccentric heel raises with your knee straight, and 3 sets of 15 repetitions of 3 to 4 second eccentric heel raises with your knee bent. You're not only going to do this once a day for 12 weeks, you are going to do this twice a day for 12 weeks. So 3 sets of 15 repetitions with the knee straight, that equals 45 repetitions. 3 sets of 15 repetitions with the knee bent, that's also 45 repetitions. 45 plus 45 is 90 repetitions. But again, you're doing it again later in the day. So 90 plus 90, that's 180 repetitions, and that's how we get that number. Now let's get into some other things, what you should actually feel when you do this. When you have tendonitis, it's pretty uncomfortable. So should you do it with pain or should there not be any pain at all? Let's talk about it. Everyone's pain level is subjective, but what you're aiming for when you're doing this exercise is mild to moderate pain. I am telling you, you want pain for this exercise. For this exercise to be effective, you want there to be a sufficient amount of tension in your Achilles tendon. If you're experiencing no pain, you need to ramp it up. You need to hold a weight or a dumbbell or put on an ankle weight, anything that's going to add weight so that the tension can be increased so that you can feel pain from it. Your pain should not be sharp. It should be a dull pain. It's not an excruciating amount of pain. Again, everyone's pain perception is a little bit different. For example, my 6 out of 10 might be your 3 out of 10. So it's going to take a little bit of time and trial and error to see what exactly might be the most appropriate weight for you. But just keep in mind that your pain level should not be up there. If you're trying out this exercise and you're feeling more than a 6 out of 10 pain, you have to change this up as well. You're just going to end up hurting yourself if your body is telling you, hey, this is way too much. So a way that you can change it up, but still do the same activity with the same number of reps and same amount of holding time and the same amount of frequency is by bringing up both heels with both calves, same thing, But on the way down, you're just changing the weight that's being distributed onto that affected leg. For example, shift enough to where I can tolerate 90% of my weight on the left leg, or 70% of the weight on my left leg, or maybe just 20% of the weight on my left leg, and majority, 80% is actually on my right side. You have to gauge it. Your Achilles tendonitis might be severe relative to another person's. So you need to learn how to effectively and safely adjust the resistance. And that's crucial because you need to make sure that you're not injuring yourself, but making sure that you're maximizing what you can get out of it. Now keep this in mind. You're doing this every single day for 12 weeks. Your calf is bound to feel sore during that period. And that amount of pain that you're going to have with this exercise is going to change. It can get worse some days. It can get better some days. So adjust how you do it and find the amount of tension that you can give yourself on that leg to accommodate for that change. So here's a summary. For 12 weeks straight, every single day, you're going to do 3 sets of 15 repetitions of heel raises. 1 round with your knees straight, 1 round with your knees bent. And you're going to do these rounds twice a day. Every single repetition will be done by bringing up both heels, using both of your calves, and focusing on the lowering portion of your affected leg or painful Achilles side. Making sure that you're also counting 1, 2, 3, 4, every single repetition. If you're studying for the NPTE, check out my courses at sptwithme.com, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also maybe give a super thanks if you like this.